Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best bread makers in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best bread makers in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Neretva 20-in-1 Bread Maker. Bake fresh, homemade bread with ease. Enjoy bakery-quality bread at home with the Neretva 20-in-1 Bread Maker. This versatile machine features a dual heater system for even baking and a 2lb stainless steel design that fits perfectly in any kitchen. The nonstick ceramic pan ensures easy cleanup, while the compact size makes it ideal for small spaces. With 20 preset programs, you can bake a variety of breads, including gluten-free, sourdough, whole wheat, and more. It also makes cakes, jams, and even yogurt. The digital control panel and delay timer let you customize your baking for fresh bread anytime. Whether you're a beginner or a baking enthusiast, the Neretva Bread Maker delivers consistent results every time. Durable, easy to use, and multifunctional, it's the perfect addition to your kitchen. Get ready to enjoy warm, homemade bread with minimal effort. Number 2. KBS 2lb Bread Maker, your ultimate baking companion. Bake fresh, delicious bread at home with the KBS 2lb Bread Maker. This 19-in-1 automatic bread machine offers versatile functions, including gluten-free, sourdough, whole wheat, and even jam and yogurt making. The stainless steel design with a ceramic pan ensures even heating and durability, while the non-stick coating makes cleanup effortless. With a 15-hour delay timer, you can wake up to the aroma of freshly baked bread. The 1-hour keep warm feature maintains your bread's perfect texture until you're ready to enjoy it. Powered by 650W, this bread maker delivers consistent results every time. Whether you're a beginner or an expert baker, the KBS Bread Maker simplifies the process with easy-to-use controls and a 2lb capacity, perfect for family-sized loaves. Enjoy healthier, homemade bread without the hassle. Get yours today and start baking. Number 3. CUCKOO Bread Maker Machine, your perfect baking companion. Make fresh, delicious bread at home effortlessly with the CUCKOO Bread Maker Machine. Featuring 15 versatile menu options, including gluten-free, whole wheat, and artisanal loaves, this bread machine caters to all your baking needs. Customize your bread with 3 crust colors, light, medium, or dark for the perfect texture every time. The 2 pounds capacity is ideal for family-sized loaves, while the automatic fruit and nut dispenser ensures even mixing of add-ins for enhanced flavor. Included 6 handy accessories make baking even easier. Designed for convenience, the CUCKOO Bread Maker offers delay timers, keep warm functions, and a user-friendly LCD display. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker, this machine guarantees consistent, restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. Upgrade your kitchen with the CUCKOO Bread Maker machine. Enjoy freshly baked bread anytime, right at home. Number 4. Kitchen-in-the-Box Bread Maker Machine. Bake fresh, gluten-free bread at home. Enjoy homemade bread with the Kitchen-in-the-Box Bread Maker Machine, a versatile and easy-to-use appliance designed for baking perfection. With 3 loaf size options, 1lb, 1.5lb, 2lb, and 15 preset programs, this bread maker lets you bake a variety of breads, including gluten-free, whole wheat, French, and even cakes or jam. The stainless steel design ensures durability, while the homemade cycle allows customization for your favorite recipes. The gluten-free setting is perfect for those with dietary restrictions, ensuring delicious, healthy bread every time. Features include checkmark 15-in-1 automatic programs, checkmark delay timer for fresh bread anytime, checkmark non-stick baking pan for easy cleaning, checkmark viewing window to monitor progress. Ideal for busy families or health-conscious bakers, this bread maker brings bakery-quality results to your kitchen. Make fresh, warm bread effortlessly. Order yours today. Number 5. Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme Bread Maker. Perfect homemade bread every time. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme Breadmaker is a top-tier appliance designed for baking enthusiasts who crave fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort. Known for its advanced technology and reliability, this breadmaker ensures consistent results with customizable settings for various bread types, including gluten-free, whole wheat, and artisanal loaves. Featuring dual paddles, the machine kneads dough evenly, while its automatic fruit and nut dispenser adds ingredients at the perfect time. The 13-hour delay timer allows you to wake up to freshly baked bread, and the nonstick pan ensures easy cleanup. With multiple crust settings and a compact design, the Zojirushi Supreme combines convenience with versatility. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this breadmaker delivers professional quality results every time. Enjoy the aroma and taste of freshly baked bread at home with the Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme, a must-have for any kitchen.